up, guys? We are back, and today we're gonna cut the inside.
Yep.
Right here, so that way the tranny will fit properly.
The CD9.
And then probably gonna put this motor in real quick before I go to work. Hopefully everything goes to plan. Here we go.
That shit cut through that shit up butter.
Yep, came out good. We're gonna cut the other side here now, and then we're gonna just grind it and make it smooth and clean it up. Here we go. He did it good. We're gonna go ahead and bend that out, and then so Daniel's first time cutting came out really good actually. Almost looks like the Punisher skull. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and try to put the motor into the car now before I have to go to work. Here's a time lapse. I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, I'm super hyped right now. We got it in first try, like no struggle at all. Motor mounts just went through on both sides. He just jacked up the tranny, and we're gonna put jack stands underneath the tranny to hold it up, and then we're gonna bolt in the tranny hopefully right now. If not, we'll do it tomorrow. We're running out of time. I have to go to work. That only took about, I'd say, 30 minutes tops, but it is hot out here in Las Vegas. It's getting to those 100-degree weathers. So, pretty hyped. Stay tuned. We'll keep it going. Peace. What's up, guys? We are back, and today we're going to go ahead and put on the tranny mount. Bolt that up, and then also the drive shaft. I'm going to get going now. I'll put you on a time lapse so you can see what we're doing. But that's what we're going to get started on. I already jacked up the car with Daniel, and we put it on jack stand, so that's already good to go. And then after that, we'll probably install the shifter plate and all that good stuff. Stay tuned. Alright guys, quick update. Daniel's just finishing up with the shifter now. I just did the drive shaft, and I'm going to do the motor mounts in a second. I'm just going to take a quick breather, get some water. We're in Las Vegas, it's Wednesday, and I think we hit 100 degrees today, so it's super hot. But this hatch is almost done. We just need to wire it up and put the dash in from the other coupe back there. But here's what Daniel's working on. It's in. The cuts came out pretty clean. With the shifter boot, there's only like a little gap missing, so it's fine. We'll put like weather stripping to seal it, but you probably won't smell anything inside the car, possibly. Hopefully. Which is pretty good. But then again, he said he's probably not even gonna run doors anyway, so who cares, right?
Right.
Alright guys, we are done for today at least. I'm super beat. It's probably like 102 out here in Las Vegas, so really hot. As you can see, I'm sweating.
We got a V8 in there.
It's in. V8's in. Let me give you a better look. Here's the look of the inside with the shifter on and everything. Just gonna put the dash in. Daniel got the covers for it. It does clean it up a bit. I wish it didn't say Corvette and it was just all black though. That'd be kind of cool. Alright guys, that's it for today. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.